Give us a mini cheddar, Freddie.
No.
Freddie?
No, Grandad.
Give us a mini cheddar.
No, you eat.
Freddie, come on.
I'm not fine, haven't I?
Freddie!
I'll get my own bag. Yeah.
I don't want them now. You've thrown them and they'll probably broke.
Yeah, I'll get you a fresh packet.
It's alright, I don't mind, Freddie. I don't care now.
Oh, God, not even close. Yeah, here, Grandad, you big fat bastard. Here, have 'em.
Stop! Oh, Freddie!
Yeah, just eat 'em.
Fuck it now.
Grandad, I was only offering you one.
I said I don't care and you got me one anyway.
Yeah.
Freddie, that was your fault that happened to Zoe. Oi! Right, keep a lid on it, both of you, now. Poo! Freddie's eating poo! Candy, what have I literally just fucking said?
Like, stop it back, though.
Oi. Freddie?
Mummy. That was for you, Candy. Here, let's do it again.
Stop!
Yeah, that was for you.
Oh, it fucking smells!
Stop swearing at me.
Idiot!
You're an idiot.
Stupid baby! Stupid!
Stop, Candy.
Stupid!
Out my face.
Stupid!
Out my face.
Get out of here, stupid! Oi! Punch me, baby!
Candy, no, out my face. I'm wanting to eat.
Oi! 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 Stop it! I bit my head! Stop it, you aggressive little twat!
Tell her to leave me alone. You let her get
Stop.
away with it. You and Zoe.
Stop it. Oi, do not swing for me.
You and Zoe let
Right!
deal with it.
Don't tell me what to do.
No, deal with it. Well, I'm out.
Go on then.
No, deal with it.
Look, could you just keep a lid on it?
Yeah, tell her to leave me alone.
Oi, right, stop swearing.
Shit, sister.
Oi, stop it!
Shit, sister. Pulling me out.
No, get off, Freddie, right. Oi! Stop!
Candy L don't understand why you keep showing up in our house because nobody loves you, so you may as well just fuck off.
Right! Just for that, you've lost the phone. Give it here.
I'll get it here. Look, I haven't got it yet.
That fucking kid never learns. Where the hell can I hide it? No. Stop it. Stop it. Dirty. Freddie! Freddie? One last chance.
Thank you.
You happy with that?
Yes, where did you go?
Well, you saw it. I was going to hide it on top of arcs and grass cupboard, but then it fell down inside it, opened slide doors.
Oh, good dog, Grandad.
Freddie, just...
We
Freddie, just play on your phone, but don't do what else.
Thank you. How are you feeling?
Whatever, Freddie.
I didn't need to put that nasty clip. It's because that nasty voice now. It's because it's so can you understand what it is. Thank you, Grandad.
Well, it's what you're quiet.
Yeah, I know. Hey, Grandad.
Right.
We've got something I want to tell you.
Come on.
Grandad.
What?
Yeah.
Oi!
You can't check it because it's me that's playing it.
Hand it.
No.
Well, I bet you want Freddie.
It's Freddie's phone. He's not putting it on, it's me.
Oh, for God's sake, forget it. Right, I need a glass of milk. I've got heartburn. Right, let's say bye. Bye.